In this video we will show the replacement process for the SmartCell communication module. Firstly, let's identify the components in the kit. The first part is the replacement interface board for the control panel. The comms module itself comes with various parts which include the communication module, a riser card for connection to the module and interface board, a GSM antenna, a LAN adapter cable, an Ethernet cable, a captive retaining screw, and a registration card for SmartCell services. Note this is only required if the installer doesn't already have a services account. Prior to working on the SmartCell control panel, the mains power supply must be disconnected. Checking first that the control panel is showing a mains power supply failure, open the panel as shown. Carefully disconnect and remove the battery. Now remove the two PSU retaining screws. Carefully slide the PSU to the right to release from the interface card. If an existing communication card is fitted, remove the two retaining screws as shown and the two newly exposed 7mm nuts. Disconnect the ribbon cable as shown, then remove the interface board fixing screw and carefully unclip the interface board. Clip the new interface board into place and secure it with the fixing screw. Reconnect the ribbon cable as shown. We are now ready to install the communication module. Carefully remove the terminal block as shown. Now we will connect the riser card to the communication module's terminal connections. Ensure all pins are fully pushed in and tighten the terminal connection screws to ensure a firm fixing. Lower the riser card into the interface board's riser retaining slots and secure the communication module using the supplied captive screw. Replace the previously removed terminal block. If an Ethernet connection is being used for communication, fit the adapter cable to the communication module. Next, attach the GSM antenna to the module as shown. Now refit the PSU by carefully sliding it onto the interface board connector. Reconnect the backup battery and close the control panel. The mains power can now be switched back on. The module will now be ready for account setup. Full details of these processes can be found on the mysmartcell.com website.